Drying your hair is one of those chores that's necessary, but you'd be hard-pressed to find people who say they actually like it. In fact, there was a time in the mid-century era where women used to use washing and drying their hair as an excuse to turn down a bad date. Fortunately, the technology in drying your hair has come a long way since that Mad Men era. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and I recently had the chance to get to test out this T3 Micro Featherweight Luxe 2 hairdryer. I spent several weeks with it, and I'm going to tell you what it's like to use, how it left my hair, about the features it has, and whether I'd recommend it for you.
What do you get with the T3 Micro Featherweight Luxe 2i? Available in bright white or sleek black, the package includes a round styling brush and a concentrator nozzle. It's also got an awesomely long 9-foot cord.
All right, some quick information on the features. As many hairdryers do these days, the T3 Luxe 2 features tourmaline and ceramic to emit negative ions. And there's also infrared heat, which T3 says makes drying faster and your hair more healthy looking. The device is also said to create, as T3 explains it, create a high volume of ion-enriched air to quickly dry large sections of your hair. Big promise. Right away though, I love the look of this dryer, and I think it looks even prettier and more attractive than the newer Dyson supersonic dryers, if I'm being honest.
I got started drying my hair and timing it to see what we were dealing with. After a few uses, I found I was able to get my longer hair mostly dry overall in about 2 to 3 minutes, and that's the same amount of time it took me to get to the same stage using the Dyson Supersonic. By this I mean I would use the dryer to get my hair most of the way dry. Then I'd move on to a more concentrated section by section dry and style. Further styling and smoothing really only took me another few minutes. But considering the Dyson dryer costs a lot and this one rings in at substantially less, I was very impressed with the results of the T3. I feel like this dryer dries my hair quickly, if not faster than even the Dyson. It has a wide flow of air that whisks away moisture quickly. T3 calls this its soft air technology. There's 2 speeds and 3 heat settings to give you versatility on this dryer, and I found the various heat and speed settings covered off everything I could want from a dryer without leaving me wanting more.
I love the speed and the overall way the T3 Micro left my hair feeling. I wouldn't say that I got that glassy all-day sleekness that I did after several weeks of using the Dyson Supersonic, but this hairdryer still did a really great job in giving me a nice, sleek, smooth blowout.
After numerous uses, I can definitely say this hairdryer is very lightweight. It was really easy to hold it up while drying my hair, though I didn't need to hold it as long as some other dryers simply because it works so quickly.
Overall, I have to say I was as happy with this hairdryer as I was with the much hyped Dyson Supersonic. If you're thinking of investing in a more professional and powerful blow dryer that can shave minutes out of your morning routine, this T3 Micro is a fantastic choice, and at half the price of something like a Dyson, you absolutely can't go wrong. From the lengthy cord to the pretty white and rose gold styling and excellent hair results, there was absolutely nothing I didn't like or could complain about with this hairdryer. If you want to read more, you can head over to TechGadgetsCanada.com, where I've got a full write-up posted. You can ask me any questions you have about this device, either there on the blog or, as always, here on the YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin. Until the next time, you can catch me on either Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always find me through Facebook at facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada.